Right, this is the follow-on from part 1 of the Arduino controlled vertical traverser. In the original design we only used a 1.2 amp stepper. I've had to increase it up to the 4.2 NEMA 23 stepper. The vertical weight of all the levels was too much for the original stepper. So with the bigger one installed, it is now functioning as it should. On power up, the Arduino goes through a boot up procedure and then calibrates, self-calibrates. It's in the calibrate position at the moment, and that's it coming up to the home sensor, backs off and then steps up slowly. Then it registers home, and now we can use the up-down level switch to traverse to different levels. And it ramps up and then slows down as it comes to each level. This is just a temporary control box until we get around to installing it in the actual layout control center. In the original control box setup, we used a 12-volt system, and we used the TB6600 stepper controller, but after changing to the larger stepper, we had to increase the voltage to a 24-volt power supply, and which solved all the problems of it stalling on traversing up. Track power to each level is fed via the vertical rails at the rear, and there's only power on each level as it is in the output position.